Every touch pulls me below, deeper where the shadows grow. Breathing fast, I can't escape, caught inside this tidal wave. Whispers drag me into night, pressure holds me far too tight. Even though I lose the air, I can't leave you, keep me there. Love that feels like drowning, take me down. Lost beneath, I'll never be found. Every heartbeat fades away, but with you, I choose to stay. Salted tears, an endless sea. Love consumes the whole of me. Breaking chains I used to fear, sink forever, keep me near. If I drown, then let it be. Waves of passion covering me. Hold me close until I fall. In your depths I give it all. A love that feels like drowning.